That's a possible tornado in development here. That is a possible tornado here in development. The wind is picking up here. And that is actually funnel cloud right now forming. Look. That is a funnel cloud forming. Humidity so high right now. We got a funnel cloud here forming right now.
Stuff it with a rag so we get some water down there.
We got a funnel cloud here forming. See the circular winds up. That circular wind up there, see it.
Your rig is clean. It's probably the diverter that's bad. We'll change that faucet out. It ain't worth it playing around with it.
Well, almost did form, but it looked like it may have been diverted here. But it was a small formation, a funnel cloud here, definitely. Could be an EF5, could developing of a tornado right here.
Boy, I guess the pressure is bad on this thing. Holy shit. Once we got the drain cleaned, we'll worry about the water. Boy, it is bad.
It's a very extreme heavy rain here. Gonna rain very heavy, very quickly. It'll come out really heavy, 2 minutes. That rain's gonna drop out like fucking crazy.
That's what the problem is. The burn is bad.
Gonna drop out pretty damn soon. That looked like a funnel cloud indeed. Right behind this building looked like might be a tornado right behind this apartment building here. That is a tornado. Oh boy. Hope to be like one reporting this. I hope to be one not reporting this and seeing it, you know. Funnel cloud could be sighted here. A lot of rain. It's bad. Oh, we got some pretty nasty. That's a funnel cloud there. Doesn't it look like it? It looks like a funnel cloud. Tornado on the ground. Tornado almost on the ground. Look at my flowers. Huh. Not as bad. See, rain is coming down heavy now. Log over.